Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to check out the Apple Watch Ultra from Apple, 49 millimeters. I'm hyped for this because I've been missing my Apple Watch. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm a little bit late than everybody else was, but it really doesn't matter because I was really undecided whether or not I really wanted it. So I waited a few days, watched a couple more videos on YouTube, just like you guys are doing right now. So I had to check it out. I actually sold my Series 7, my product red one. If you guys follow the channel, I did actually really like that watch. I did actually want to get a Series 8 Nike edition, but when I heard that they do have the Nike watch faces now on all Apple Watches, I figured let me just get Series 8 or just a regular Series 8 or the Apple Watch Ultra. So I do have these bands. I do have these bands that I had on my last video, so we can actually test this out and we'll definitely see if this is actually a good fit when it comes to this Apple Watch. This is the Ultra. So this is the one that I actually went with. I got it from Best Buy, green Alpine Loop, 49 millimeters. And I believe I have the medium band because my wrists are not huge, but I'm not getting the small one. All right, so let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like here. So just by the presentation that I have seen in the other videos, nice little presentation. If you guys had the Nike one was all black and had the white lettering. Beautiful packaging here. But if you want to check out the Apple Watch, what comes with it here, I see a lot of people, they always just run through it, but it's basically telling you how to set it up and how to install the bands. Now, I've been rocking an Apple Watch since the Apple Watch 0, so I have experience with having to install the bands. Sometimes there's certain bands that are a little bit confusing, but I should be good to go. And you have your caution labels here. Before using Apple Watch, review the Apple Watch user guide on apple.com. So let's get right into the nitty gritty here. So you have the Apple Watch itself and you have the band. It's in a separate band. Let's put this to the side here. All right, and I do have my favorite sport bands that I do get, and definitely waiting to check that one out for real. All right, so let's get right into it. This is the band that it came with. This was the only one that was actually in stock that I kind of liked. So you have that little sticker here, so let's just pop that out. All right, taking it open. Just for the price point, I was really hesitant about having to get this because I feel like this is a price, this is like the same price of like a 14 or like a Pixel 6 Pro or a Pixel 7 Pro. That's about to drop. So I really thought about having to get another watch, but definitely had to check this out for myself. So the one thing that I always asked for was an Apple Watch that had great battery life. So if this could last me 2 days on one charge, then I will keep it. If it lasts me about a day and a half like the Series 7 did, then definitely gonna have to rethink my whole strategy here. So let's just pop this baby out. It would have been cool to have this in multiple colors, but I will take it as it comes. It looks like designed in Apple, California. And this is the braided Type-C to the Apple Watch charger right over here. See how that feels? It's a nice material. Feels pretty premium. This part right here is a little too bulky, to be honest, but can't complain. At least the presentation is nice. Now, a lot of people have been saying in their videos that this is not heavy, but from first glance, this is pretty hefty. To be honest, to me, I personally think this is a little heavy. Yeah, it's a little weight to this. But look at that screen. This is crazy. Look how that screen looks. One more thing, guys, is that you have to remember that this is made out of titanium, so it will pick up scratches more than the stainless steel model. That's what I was worried about. So I will have to get a case for this because I don't want it to get damaged. But let's see if I could do this on the first try. How do you do this? I wonder if it's reversible. Oh, okay, so it's not reversible. So 49 millimeter on there. I will have a link down below to the bands and all that good stuff here. So let's just see how this works. Let's pop this baby in. Is it the middle one? Is it the right one? Or is it the top one? So it looks like we're gonna go through this together. All right, trial and error. Put it here. And then we could close it up and just tie one on. Or you could do it the other way. So as you can see, my little tan has been missing my Apple Watch for the last couple of weeks. Let's put in and start our wrist and get this little pattern here. This is a little bit different for me. I'm not used to doing this, but we'll see how this works. So you just have to pick a loop. Just slide in like so. And make sure it's into your comfort. But there you go. This is fire. I'm liking it so far. Yeah, it's a little bit heavier than the aluminum one, but and if you guys ever had the UAG bands, very similar look. And if you guys had the cases that I used to put on my Apple Watches, like this one that I have for the Series 7, it's definitely not going to fit on there, but just the fact that how it might look, man. So just let me know what you guys think. Should I buy some cases for the Apple Watch? I just want to see something. I just want to see how it will look with a Nike band. Now, these are not official Nike bands, by the way. I got this from Amazon. I will have a link down below to the video. So let's go with a white one here. Oh, there you go. All right, finally in there. All right, so let's try this again. All right, there you go. What do you guys think about it with a white Nike sport band? Does look a little bit different. Let's see how that looks on my wrist here. All right, it looks like I have it backward anyway, so I'm gonna have to change that up. What do you guys think about it? How does this one look to you guys? Looks just as good personally. You'll get used to it. And let's get used to the one that I usually like to wear because it's less irritating for my skin. Or these ones right here. I wonder how the black one looks though. Let's check out the black one. Let's see how this one looks as well. Looks like there's a lot of traffic out my window here. All right. Man, this is not going in easy, man. How do they make it seem so easy in the other videos? Or maybe it's broken. All right, that went in perfectly. Let's see how this one looks. All right, let's try. Man, this is... I thought it would be way more easier than this. Maybe this is just dirty. All right, there you go. It's finally in there. Definitely looks like a better color combination than the white one. You guys let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments. And I forgot to power this on. Why isn't that powering on? How you turn this on? There you go. All right, so let's try the second man here. That one. And then a little bit easier. Pop it in like so. You guys let me know what you guys think about these bands. I will have a link down below to the video that I did about them. But they do work with the Apple Watch Ultra, no problem. But I will be rocking the original one since I paid so much for it. Why would you wear another band? But I will try to get some cases for it. Maybe a nice little screen protector since it has an all flat face. But this is a really nice looking watch. A little bit hefty, but I'm digging it so far. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys want to pick up the cases, the watch, whatever you guys want to pick up, let me know down in the comments below which one you're thinking about getting. So follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Apple Watch Ultra and more tech to come. This is going to be peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.